Hi, I'm Shane McCord, Superintendent of Gilbert Public Schools, and we are here today at Desert Ridge Junior High in the new Multimedia Center. This center is built for our kids, and this place is phenomenal. We are standing amongst tons of computers, but we're also standing amongst kids who are doing project-based digital art and doing a phenomenal job. We're so very proud of them. We're so thankful for Meta, and we're so thankful for the Gilbert Education Foundation for making this happen. Also, if you have a sixth grader, this week is Level Up Week, where all of our sixth graders go to their feeder junior highs to experience what life would be like when they become a seventh grader next year. Thank you to our junior highs, and thank you to our sixth grade teachers for making this happen. And if you have a student going into junior high or one going into the high school, look on our website for events coming up, because we have family preview nights for those types of events. So make sure you check that out. And if you have a student that's getting ready to start kindergarten, we want them here in Gilbert Public Schools. Our goal is to make sure our kids come to us from kindergarten all the way through graduation of high school. So go on our website and check out when those dates are. Our schools are having kindergarten roundups, and they're having family preview nights for those too. So please, again, check those out. And most importantly, thank you for choosing Gilbert Public Schools. Things like this room, things like the education our students receive can't happen without your support, and we're so proud to be partners with you, because our goal is to be the #1 school district in the state of Arizona. Again, thank you for choosing GPS.